Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I know it's been a while. We haven't been posting, just been super busy trying to keep up with stuff in the daily life, tuning and stuff like that. It's been crazy busy, but this weekend we're out here Snowbird Nationals with my boy Jack, Stan, Jimmy. We got us a little rent-a-ride again.
Another rent-a-ride, dude.
So give me a rundown. Small block nitrous. We're gonna be running Ultra Street.
Yeah, we're class racing this weekend, guys. Heads up class. It's combo / weight restricted is what makes it paired really tight. Really competitive class. I used to run it back in the day in the Nova when it was a small block nitrous car. Here we have Andrew Gonzo's 2002 Ford Gen Camaro, built by the fastest respring guy in the world, Ron Rhodes. Ron Rhodes built this car. Andrew bought it brand new in 2002 off the showroom floor. It's got a big cube Bischoff built LS based small block EFI dry nitrous. We are jet limited to a 046 jet. We have a little less in it right now for nitrous. Car runs stout. It's a front runner in the class. It runs in the top half of the field, so that means if you guys don't know. But a good friend of mine, Doug Cook, Mush Raceworks. He's good buddies with him. Andrew was looking for a driver, wanted to come to Snowbird, so I told him, hey, I'm your guy. So that's what we got for the weekend.
So today's Thursday. We're gonna do a little bit of testing. This day, make some 330 shakedown runs, check over the data. I'm gonna be helping Andrew with the tune-up stuff and getting it all set up and trying to go fast. We're gonna try and win this thing. It's a little bit newer to me. He's got a lot of stuff on here and a few different systems that I haven't actually touched before, so we're gonna kind of work together and get it to go down. He's gonna be driving the car and trying to get us in the winner's circle. So we'll get it, turn around, get everything ready. Went to get some water for the nitrous heater, and then we'll get it up in the lanes and make some shakedowns.
I mean, this thing, piece of one.
Oh,
if it ain't carbon, if it ain't OEM, it's carbon. If it ain't carbon, it's polished.
Yeah, this is by far one of the nicest Ford Gens I've ever seen. I love these cars, so.
Yeah, dude, I owned it 20 years now. He told me, he goes, no pressure, 20-year anniversary was yesterday of me owning this car. I was like, no big deal, dude, I came here to win.
We're gonna try and put this thing in a winner's circle, but we'll get it turned around and get it up in the lanes. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Day 2, Snowbird Nationals. I missed yesterday. I couldn't get down here. I was too busy. They did the #1 qualifier yesterday. Car went a 462 with an 8. So a couple of little small tune-up changes for today. Daytime air was real good last night, so they had some time. He pulled out of it, put it back in it today. We're just gonna help him out and enjoy the day. We also got Bobby out here with the gold digger. He's finally got that back together. He's over here changing plugs, hating life. What you doing, bud?
Fresh motor, pulling the plugs.
Go there, buddy. Tried to make a hit last night, huh?
Yeah. Went down on a little too low timing.
Yeah. So
Off real bad on the start line.
I wasn't here, so I couldn't help him, but where the plugs at?
Over there.
So fresh combo in this deal. You ran it on these plugs before, didn't you?
I opened up to the start line.
They were fresh when you went up there, or no?
Fresh.
Okay. Yeesh. She needs some work, bud. So we're getting this thing. I don't know if we'll get it dialed in this weekend, but we're gonna try and make some hits, shake it down, do some testing probably next couple weeks or so with it.
I got PRI.
After PRI. This is a no-time car, so he can't show any times with this car. He's in the 28-29 shootout this weekend.
Yep.
So we'll just make some hits. We're just kind of using it as a test session because there's a lot of way faster cars out here. So
The track is really, really good though.
yeah, the track's always really good down here, but especially for this event. Hey, buddy.
Hey, dude.
So going up for round 2?
Round 2 qualified.
All right.
Round 1 went smooth, soft A to B with 62. Sit in middle of the pack, number 6. Right where I like to be.
Sweet. Car's ready to go. Tune-up's in it. Just got to suit up, get the car to the lanes, and then we'll be good to go. Whew. 58 heat of the day.
With the 1. Yeah, I went 109 with the 1. 2987 to the 330. A with the 1.
Hell yeah. You just leave it alone. See what happens tonight.
Yeah, we'll just get after it a little bit. Everything is long, looking perfect. Everything's good. Still has pan back.
I forgot this guy's car goes like super left hard.
I was out there trying NASCAR race.
Tell me to
Dude.
go in there cross.
Oh, dude, it literally picked the front tire up and just drove straight left.
Up at 330, looking at the cone, I'm like, I should probably lift.
Yeah, that was good.
Start to slow a bit.
They got a bar adjustment, a little bit of anti-roll bar, and then be good to go.
Hey, it'll bump.
right, guys, we're back. Day 3, elimination rounds. Got Bobby back there. He's putting some fresh plugs in it. A little bit bigger nitrous jets. We don't have to do anything to your car because it's nice and easy.
Gas and go.
Gas it and go. So last night we went at 59. That was our Q3. Turned it up just a little bit, and some odd things happened. So we're going to use our daytime tune-up. You got a couple tune-ups in the car. If you want to feel froggy at the line, everything's going good, you can turn it up.
Yeah. Turn it up to 11.
So actually, we got the guy we raced last night, Bill Gregan's Mustang, first round. So hopefully we can make something happen. Maybe you can kill him on the tree. We can
almost cut his head off.
That's a fast car.
We're right there. We're a number apart. It's gonna be the tightest race of the round.
Yeah. I mean, you guys were locked last night. It was a that race was won on the tree. So just got to knock them on the tree today, and we should be able to go some rounds. I don't know about you, but
Just trying to get some good data.
that's it. We're out here testing. We're a little outgunned with this car.
I'm here to collect some data.
Fresh combo. This is the first time it's been at the track in what, like a year? Close to it.
December last year.
Yeah. So I mean,
It's back, baby.
Man, hit personal best last night.
yeah, we're running pretty good. I think it needs turbo though. What do you think?
2 of them.
2 of them? That's what I think. I think you need to just
Either one really big one.
take all that junk off of there and put some turbos on it.
I'm ready.
Wait till I get Moonshine out lined up. I'll let you drive it. You're going to be hooked. You're never going to want a nitrous car ever again. The bump should be smooth now. The last time it was kind of violent, but
And you don't even need headers.
yeah.
All you do is cut that collector back a little bit, some R90s, put them right behind the tires.
Just place them right back there, and this thing will do all the wheelies. All
I'm
right.
gonna wheel it right now. What you think?
I did some things to hopefully make it not wheelie, so.
Should we tighten down the front end a little
You
bit?
can't. It's already as tight as it'll go.
Oh, I got one more setting.
No, just leave it alone. It'll be fine.
Because I got one more hole in my chains.
I got one more hole in my
Yeah, let's just try to get down the track.
Hit the beat, baby.
Well, you got taken out first round, unfortunately. Close race. Alright guys, well, James went out first round. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened there. Same tune-up yesterday. It's a little hotter today, but same tune-up yesterday. He today went at 58. That one went at 463 at 153, almost 154. But the 60 foot was down a few numbers. So if it would have had the same 60 foot, it would have went probably 58, 59 again. So we got Bobby still in. Somebody just wrecked. So we got to let them clean the track up a little bit. Bobby's got to race a twin turbo mod motor. Is it twin or single? This is a single car, huh? Single turbo mod motor. Where are you guys from? Pennsylvania. All right, cool. Well, I guess they got some cleaning up to do, and then we'll get it gapped by a Ford. right, guys. Well, that looks like that's it for us for Snowbirds 2021. Both of us went out first round, so that's gonna be it. I appreciate you guys watching. Sorry, taking a little break from YouTube, but we're back. We're gonna be filming, putting up videos, and yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. As always, stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next episode.